Meet Degritter, the world's most advanced record washing machine. It is fully automatic. It cleans your records with ultrasonic cleaning using distilled water from a removable water tank. Convenient and mess-free. To ensure continued cleanliness, the water is filtered, and filters are easy to access. On the back, you have an SD card slot for software updates, AC voltage switch, and physical on-off switch. Vents on the side filter the air for drying. To clean your disk, insert it. Select the cleaning program, adjust drying time if needed, and press play. Degritter comes with an easy-to-use menu where you can set additional pre-soak for dirtier disks, indicate that you want to rinse records with water from an additional rinse tank, reset reminder for water filter replacement, adjust drying fan power, make small adjustments in water level height, and monitor general information. Let your records shine with Degritter.